How to join two videos in Canva. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can merge or join two videos in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Canva. You can head over to canva.com and open up your Canva. After you open up your Canva, what you can then do is simply head over to the projects that you already have, or you can simply create one. So I'll just head over to this project that I had earlier, and let me just remove this video to show you guys how to do this. Delete that. Okay, so this is what your initial project should look like. There, you should have a blank canvas, and just let this sidebar load. And while this loads, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So there we go. So after you're here, if you want to upload a video by yourself, what you can do is you can simply tap on this upload option and upload a video of your own. Now, if you don't want to do that and you want to, simply use the video that is already available in your Canva, you can head over this section and search for video. After you search for video, you should be getting a list of different videos. You can head over to this video section ultimately as well. Now, all you have to do is make sure that you've selected this canvas, and after you've selected it, you can upload your video. So let me just head over to my uploads and select this video. After I select it, the video will get uploaded directly. So you can resize this if you want, and there we go. This is the first video. After you uploaded a video, you can then tap on this plus icon to add a page. After you tap on add a page, make sure that you've selected this very canvas, and now all you have to do is select another video. After you select another video, you can resize this as well. Now, as you might have noticed, that the video automatically gets joined. Now, if I simply play this video, it will show you guys that it has already merged and it will just play one after the another. So that's basically how you can join two or more videos. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.